Hello, so in today's video I will show you how to add or upload a font in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is go to the font and just click on thefont.com and just accept the cookies. On this website you can find a lot of different of fonts. So let's see, I just want this super crumble and I want to click on download. And after you click on the download button, you can go to your file explorer and go into downloads. And here you can see this WinRAR zip archive where it says Super Crumble. And if you right click on that one and you click on extract files and you just want it to be on downloads, yeah, so you just click on OK. You now will get a file folder where it says Super Crumble. So if you close the file explorer and you head back to Canva and click on create a design, and I just want to create new YouTube thumbnail design. And if you then go to text and add a heading and just write something like my new added font. And if you then go to where it says the section where it says font and probably Canva Sans, and if you click on that one, you can scroll down and click on upload font. And just so you know, you can only upload fonts or add fonts if you have the pro version of Canva. And if you want to and if you don't know how to get the pro version of Canva, you can go to our YouTube channel and search for how to get Canva Pro for free. But you wanna go to the folder Super Crumble, and here you wanna just take the file that's in this file folder and click on that one. And then you wanna please confirm the following. You just wanna click yes, upload anyway, and it will just load. And there you can see at the section uploaded fonts, I can see the Super Crumble regular, and if I click on it, I have now added the font to the text I just wrote it, and then you can modify where you want to be. But yeah, that's how to add or upload a font to Canva.